We're going to try to be as gentle as possible. Taking this off. Looking pretty good so far. Minus all the things in the way. But bear with me because, you know, it's not like I do this every day. I mean, I am doing it every day for the last 3 days. However, oh, okay, so that was a little error. I went up against the cake and I smushed it a little bit. Okay, so as you could see, there's some on there, but not too bad, not too bad. We're gonna pop some of these up. So that's a rose. So why don't we do a rose here? And then we do a square funny thing. Yeah, I gotta work with these fast because they are going to really melt fast. We present salted caramel, almond salted caramel deliciousness. Let's not drop this, y'all. What do you think? I can't even take a picture because my phone sometimes when it's recording doesn't allow me to. Oh my gosh. I mean, that is pretty. I mean, back from, you know, being the 80s kid, this is macked out. This is a macked out cake, you guys. Oh my gosh. If this doesn't make you smile when you make it, you don't even need to taste this damn thing. It is so flipping cool. Oh my God. Okay, I have to say this is the proudest I've ever been of any creation I've ever made. Just because it's so fun. It really, really is fun. Okay, so the crust I had mentioned when I was making it, I don't think the dates, because I used Julie's Medjool organic dates and they're really soft, I don't think they should have been soaked. So you could see here that the crust, I scraped it off, was stuck on here. But clean lines, got so many photos. Oh my gosh, it was like the most photos I've ever taken of anything I've ever made. Okay, now let's give it a taste. We gonna taste this one with the square and the caramel. Don't you wish you were here to enjoy this? Wow. Literally everything. Pops with some sweet, the perfect saltiness. Texture slightly like ice cream, but some thickness from the caramel or caramel. Indulgent, but not like where you're just like, ugh, like you're just coated with like too much sweet, you know? Wow. I told my husband this is going to be the best dessert we've ever eaten. And that was just based on the salted caramel being just so on point. Oh my gosh. I don't know who wouldn't like this. There's no way. I guess I better taste a bite with this. Because those are, he loved those. He said they taste like lints. The chocolate added a nice little touch, but it really doesn't need it. It's different, but it really doesn't need it. There were also sandwich cookies, which I didn't make. I should put sandwich cookies on them. You can do all sorts of fun things. So incredible. So incredible. And I'd love to hack this with just dates, date syrup, maybe make it nut free with just coconut. Although some people that can't have nuts, can't have coconut either. Oh my gosh. I love to do all sorts of hacks with this to make me feel even better when I eat it. I do get a little bit of that between the dates and the maple syrup. And I bet this would be good straight out the freezer. We're like an ice cream cake. So I hope you guys have enjoyed going on this journey with me to make this incredibly not only gorgeous, but I don't know, like when it looks so good and it tastes so amazing, it's just the best of all of the worlds. But there you go, y'all. All my love. Sending you lots of positive vibes. And for those on their healing journeys, lots of healing vibes as well.